Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Taus Hassan. I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. In this video we are going to make a currency converter. Let's start out to this video. At first we will open PyCharm and we need a database for our project, and we will make our database in txt format. Let's collect the data. We will collect data from this website. Copy it again, Control C, and we'll paste it in our database. Control V. Now we need to import the database. This file as db lines equals to db dot read lines sheet. Now we are going to make a set and we'll use here a for loop. Now we are spelling the line. Error with 0. First, his position is 1. Now we need to take the amount which we want to convert from the user. We will take the input in integer format. Enter the amount. Choose the currency to convert. Here will be cd.keys. Here's okay. for I variable for print item for item in c.keys. Next we need to choose the currency and we'll use the variable as money. The name you'll choose now. We'll print our answer with result. We will use here f string. We'll use a multiplication sign. Money and the name of currency money. Let's check our software. We'll take 5 and which currency will take euro. Control V. $5. Oh, we need some upgrade here. Let's write a dollar. Let's check it again. Expanding. Now we'll take 27. Now we'll choose this currency. Ctrl V, enter. Then here's the result. Thank you guys for watching this video.